Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Students, in previous class, we have learned Unit First, Raksha Bandhan. Isn't it? Yes. Today, you want to learn Unit 2, the cock and the sun. Unit 2. Let us begin. Let us make the noises that animals make. Can you guess the animal? Try it. The sound of the animals: quack, bleat, grunt, bark, moo, chirp, chatter, neigh, roar, hiss. Okay? Fill in the blanks with the cry of these animals. One is done for you. For example, roar like a lion. Roar like a lion. Roaring is the sound of lion. Okay? Next, like that, dash like a horse. Neigh like a horse. Okay? Next, dash like a duck. The sound of the duck is quack. Quack like a duck. Next one. What is this? Dog. Dash like a dog. Bark like a dog. Understood? Okay. Next one. Dash like a pig. The sound of the pig is grunt. Grunt like a pig. Next one. Dash like a goat. Bleat like a goat. The sound of the goat is bleat. Next one. Dash like a snake. Hiss like a snake. Next. Dash like a cow. Moo like a cow. Next. Dash like a sparrow. Chirp like a sparrow. What is this? Monkey. The sound of the monkey is chatter. Dash like a monkey. Chatter like a monkey. So, these are the sounds of animals. Okay? Students, now let us study the lesson, The Cock and the Sun. What is the name of the lesson? The Cock and the Sun. Now, I will read the lesson. Listen carefully. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds in the forest to know them personally. He asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock the next morning. The leaves were happy to hear that sun would be out. But the animals had their own views. They started expressing their ideas. In the morning, it was the turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion. Now, I will explain. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds in the forest to know them personally. One day, the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds in the forest to talk with them in personally. Okay, understood? He asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock the next morning. Gathered means come together. The sun asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest. Where did the sun ask them to gather? The sun asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest. When at the time of 6 o'clock the next morning. Okay, now the leaves were happy to hear that sun would be out. The leaves were so happy because to hear that the sun would be out. But the animals had their own views. They started expressing their ideas in the morning. It was the turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion. Means animals and birds started discussion about the meeting. First peacock started the discussion. Okay? Okay children. Now see the next page. Peacock said, Mr. Donkey, please don't wait for me. It is very cold. I want to warm myself up. I will sleep for a while. Peacock said to the donkey that, please don't wait for me to the meeting. This weather is very cold, so I want to warm myself and I will sleep for a while. Next, donkey said, Ha, why do you think I plan to go right now? The sun may not come out at 6 o'clock. I will slowly get ready and go. I will go at 8 o'clock. Donkey said that the sun may not come at 6 o'clock. I will go slowly and get ready and go at 8 o'clock. Okay, understood? Next, B. So, then I think I can collect some honey before I start. Later I will attend the meeting. B said that I want to collect some honey and later I will attend the meeting. Okay? Next, Parrot told that let me go to the field and collect some food grains first. There are so many fruits to be tasted. I will also reach by 8 o'clock. Parrot told that I want to collect some grains first from the field. Then I will taste the fruits and I will reach by 8 o'clock. Elephant said, yes, my first work is to take bath. I will go to the river. It is quite far. Is anybody interested in coming with me? Elephant said that my first work is to take bath. I will go to the river and said to the other animals, thus if anybody interested in coming with me to the river. Okay. Next, lion. I would rather go by myself. I am the king of the forest. Other animals should gather first. I will come after all of you. Lion said that I am the king of the forest. Other animals should gather first. I will come after all of you. Next, Fox. I am the chief minister. I will go with the king. Fox said, I am the chief minister. I also go with the king. Next, Owl said, you think of who should go first, but do you know how tired I am? I was busy catching mice the whole night. I want to take rest now. Owl think that who will go first? The owl was so tired because it was busy to catching the mice at the whole night. It want to take rest. When the sun rose in the sky, only a cock was waiting for him. The cock, who was not interested in such talk, had arrived in time. He was habituated to rising early and waiting for the sun. He did the same that day too. Slowly all the other animals and birds gathered after an hour. When the sun rose in the sky, a cock was waiting to the sun. Daily the cock waked early at the morning. That day also it waked up early. Slowly all the other animals and birds gathered after an hour. After an hour all the birds and animals gathered. Okay. Next, the sun was very happy and praised the cock for its punctuality. All the animals and birds felt ashamed. They had not expected the turn of the events in this way. The sun also announced a reward. The sun was very happy and praised. Praise means admire, ಹೊಗಳುವುದು. The cock for its punctuality. Punctuality means being in time, ಸಮಯ ಪಾಲನೆ. All the animals and birds felt ashamed. That time all the animals and birds felt ashamed. They had not expected the turn of the events in this way. The sun also announced a reward. The sun announced a reward. Reward means prize. Sun told, "From now on, the cock will welcome me every morning. Here is your reward." From now on, the cock will welcome the sun every morning. Here is your reward. He placed a crown on the cock's head. The sun placed a crown on the cock's head. It came to be known as the coon. Even today, the cock crows as the sun rises. His grand comb also is attractive. The sun placed a crown on the cock's head. It came to be known as the comb. Even today, the cock crows as the sun rises. His grand comb also is attractive. Attractive means akashaniya. Okay, very beautiful. His grand comb also attractive. Okay students, I hope you are all understood the lesson. Now I read the new words. Gathered, come together. Phrase means admire. Punctuality means being in time. Place means keep. Reward means phrase. Okay students, now I read the difficult words. Okay. Personally, gathered, expressing, discussion, warm, ready, meeting, brains, interested, chief minister, catching, waiting, arrived, habituated, gathered, praised, punctuality, ashamed, expected, announced, reward and attractive. Underline these words, write in your rough book 5 times and show it to your parents. Thank you.